How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a bigger Adam's apple best tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I got this question directly from a subscriber. They want to know the best tutorial for the Adam's apple. Now, your Adam's apple is right here. You can see it on mine. It is very easy to tell. Mine is very prominent. It does look big, you guys, because of some of the things that I do. I'm going to show you what I do, but you can see it's very, very easy to tell. And I even have a beard, or not a, I mean, I got a little bit of hair here, and you can still see it very, very easily. Some people will say you can't physically grow the size of your Adam's apple. You can't. But just like your arms, your biceps, your chest, your legs, if you lose weight or if you tighten that area, your muscle will look bigger even though it hasn't actually grown in size. So you want your Adam's apple to be bigger, you want it to look bigger, you can do that. That is 100% possible. You need to do exercises that train this area. Easy ones right off the hop, just lifting your head. Seriously, just going like this. If you did 100 repetitions every single day, you would notice after about a week, this area, your Adam's apple, is gonna look 10 times bigger. Literally just by going like this. If you wanted to. I don't recommend doing 100 reps in a row. If you want to do something like that, do say 10 reps. You might get dizzy if you do more than 10 or 15. So do about 10 reps and then take a break for a minute or two and then do another 10 if you want to. Be careful, you might get dizzy doing it. Other exercises that work really, really well is just opening your mouth wide like this. That works really well because you can feel it. Watch. You can feel this moving when you are doing it. Another exercise that you guys can do is lifting your head like this. It's kind of a combination of the two exercises, lifting your head up like this and then opening your mouth. That works really well too. Obviously, weight loss in general, losing weight too, can allow this, because weight loss in general, if you get rid of fat around the neck, it's going to make your neck look bigger. Then your Adam's apple will show better as well. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.